Well, I've done a little bit on the C11. Tank's off. Got the coil. Primary off. No clutch. Got a wiring loom in it. Horn's connected here. Come down here. Got horn push. Horn push and horn push. Don't have that. Speedo's quite nice. Looks a little bit homemade. That bracket should come up and that should be here, I believe. Got no retainer on the rocker box, but if I give her the whirl round down here, socket's terrible. Socket's really terrible, but the valves go round. Go in the, got the throttle slide. No choke's blanked off. Choke's blanked off. Got the coil wired. Points. Runs up into the loom. Onto the coil. Coil comes back. So let's see what we've got in here. We might be able to test for spark, albeit a bit slow. No clutch. No clutch at all, totally missing. Brake rod missing, brake light switch missing. Rectifier missing. Ignition switch missing. No. This must have a horn and headlight. These are special kind of lovely. Clutch is connected down there. Where are you? Down there. And it looks like we've got a clutch rod come through, and that seems to be seized at the moment. Brake spring has got to go all the way around and hook in. And the rear end's probably got a bulb in it. Found a centre stand spring in the stash. Primary is not too bad. That looks like it needs spaces to fit the tank. Tank badges are coming. Tank needs a polish clean anyway. Front brake not connected. The wheels are decent. Wheels are the nicest bit. With some my ass traditional tread. So we need to find a kickstart and figure out, if I haven't got a kickstart and a clutch, if I can spin the engine over fast enough for a test for spark. Rear foot rests. Tell you what I don't see. I don't see riders' foot rests. Add them to the list. Where do they pick up? Must come off that framing, I think. More wiring. Stop light switch. That explains that. Plungers are pretty nice. Rear wheel is lovely.